Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright guys, as you can tell from this beautiful photo as well as the title of this video, I have just received my Star Lounge mystery boxes, and after asking you guys if I should post today, you were adamant that you were really wanting me to post, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. We're going to unbox these two beautiful boxes. Star Lounge mystery boxes came in two varieties. We have the Deluxe as well as the Supreme. The Deluxe has a value of $133 and it goes for $65, and the Supreme has a value of $170 and it goes for $90. So as you can tell, we are getting a major discount on these items and I cannot wait to see what's inside of them. Let's jump in. All right, let's dive right in. I always love how beautiful and aesthetically pleasing these boxes look, and wow, already I'm impressed. So the first item we have here is a beautiful toque. I love this. I literally wear my JSC toque every single day as it is. It's already cold here in Canada. I love this. This is a kind of a mix between polyester and cotton it's giving. I love the logo on the front and the little pom-pom. So cute, guys. I'm truly going to get so much use out of this, and I am so far really impressed with the first item in the box. The next item we have is the 200 milliliter snap lid glass jar. I personally already own two of these. I use them all the time, almost every day. You can use these in a variety of ways. Like I said, very handy. I use it all the time. It's great quality. It really does a good job of sealing in the freshness. I love these guys. I use them for what they're for. I'm not going to say what they're for here on YouTube, as you know YouTube's really strict, but guys, if you're looking for high quality storage for anything, these are wonderful. I highly recommend. The next item, wow, I am so shook. This is the 3 grinder set from the holiday collection last year from Star Lounge. These are so beautiful. We're getting a red chrome, which is absolutely lovely. These grinders are really great quality. If you're in the market for something like this, these I highly recommend to everybody always. The metal is nice and sturdy. It's not too heavy that it's hard to use, and it's not so light that it's really cheapo. They're really nice. Highly recommend. I love all 3 of these shades, and I'm going to show you here. They also come with a crystal scraper, and each one matches whatever grinder it's in terms of the color. I love this. Love the white one. Just look at the set of the 3 of them. Like, it's Christmas come to life. I love it. Such great stocking stuffers. Obsessed. And moving on to the next item, we have a beautiful yellow hoodie. This is so pretty. When these originally came out, I wanted to grab a few, but I didn't. I'm so happy now that it came in the mystery box. We're getting a banana yellow realness moment. It says, "Hi, how are ya?" in the back, and then in the front, we have the typical leaf logo. I really love this, and I will use the hell out of it. I live in my JSC merch. I tell you guys all the time, but it's high quality and amazing. Now that we're done with that box, let's move on to the big boy, the Supreme. I am so excited. And this one was a little bit harder to get into, but we eventually got in, and look at this. Oh my God, this is the beautiful hand mirror from last year's holiday collection. It is a stunning red chrome. I typically would include this in one of my giveaways and include it in the giveaway stockpile, but because I love the way this looks so much, I'm definitely going to be keeping it. It's so high quality. Like, not all the mirrors are the same quality in my opinion. This one though is very luxe. It's just opulent. I love it, and I'm definitely going to be keeping it. Oh, how pretty. Like that candy red. Yum. And moving on to the next item, we have a t-shirt. So I'm going to open this here for you guys. This says Star Lounge, "Hi, how are ya? Casper, Wyoming." Now, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's not the typical high-end quality that the merch typically is. Like, the writing is kind of sploochy. There's like paint missing on certain parts. I tried to take a photo for you guys, but it's not really showing. I definitely am still going to be wearing it and get use out of it, but I did want to mention that, like, it's not like the other typical t-shirt. And the next item, we have this beautiful red hoodie. This is the doppelganger of that yellow one, but it's in red. Again, I love it. I was gonna purchase it on my own. I'm gonna use the hell out of it. I love the hi, how are ya? It's hilarious and it's just very me. I love it. Look at this next item, guys. I'm absolutely shook over this coat. My best friend Ian is an absolute coat junkie, so this is going directly to him. It's so luxe. It's so beautiful. I love the detailing on this. I'm really surprised that they included this in a mystery box. I wasn't expecting them to. It's so pretty, guys. Like, wow, look at that. My best friend, he's so lucky. He's going to get this directly. But my favorite part, guys, I'm going to zoom in here so you can see. Look at the coat hanger it comes in. It's wooden and it's engraved with that little leaf logo with the JSC. I love it. It's so nice. Wow. It's always the attention to detail that takes it there. And the last item we have is another 63mm grinder. This one is like a sky baby blue moment. It's so beautiful. I think out of all of the grinders I received, this one is my favorite one. I love the color and it's so luxe. I love. If you know grinders, you know that this is a good quality one. And I just love always that it comes with the little crystal scratcher. I love that it comes with the crystal scraper, always amazing. Just look at how beautiful that baby blue is. I absolutely adore it. It's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this style of video, give me a giant thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. What did you think of the contents of these boxes? I'm so curious. And of course, guys, if you haven't yet, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.